The name hippopotamus comes from ancient Greek to mean river horse. Hippos have barrel-shaped bodies with short legs and long muzzles. They have a graviportal structure that allows them to carry the enormous weight on land and move along the riverbed. Hippos are mammals just like elephants, lions, humans, buffaloes, and many other animals. Hippos are mammals because they are warm-blooded and have mammary glands. A hippo can open its mouth to full 150 degrees. This is important if the hippo needs to defend itself or even scare away any other animals. A hippo's lower canines and incisors are enlarged, especially in males, and keep growing with age. The incisors can grow up to a length of 40 centimeters, while the canines can reach 50 centimeters. A hippo can run at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour on land. It can move at about 8 kilometers per hour in water. This adds to the dangerous factor because it can very easily surprise and attack an encroaching human or predator. The bite force of a hippo is 2000 pounds per square inch. In comparison, a lion or a tiger has a bite force of 1000 pounds per square inch. Staying in water helps hippos stay cool from the strong African sun. A hippo's skin is hairless, which means the sun and bugs are a serious problem to deal with. Hippos sleep in the water by fully submerging their bodies. They automatically rise up to the surface and breathe without waking up. Hippos are herbivores that will graze on grass. Their main diet is short grass and some very few fruit species. A single hippo can eat about 40 kilograms of food. Hippos graze for about 5 hours in the night and cover a territory of up to 8 kilometers. Hippos give birth underwater because it is safest there. This is of course in shallow waters. After birth, the cow and calf hippos stay in water full time for up to 14 days without going out to graze. A hippo can live for 40 to 50 years. While hippos spend an average of 15 hours a day in the water, they do not breathe when underwater. Hippos can hold their breath for more than 5 minutes when fully submerged. Hippos are aggressive and highly unpredictable. This is why they are considered Africa's most dangerous mammal. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, there are 5,000 to 13,000 common hippos are left in the world. According to the IUCN Red List data, hippos are considered vulnerable. This is because if the circumstances threatening the survival of the hippos don't improve, it will become endangered.